Hello everyone. I came out here to this, what I'm calling a sacred space now. Some of it reminds me of like places like Stonehenge and stuff, but this is just like right across the street from my apartments, and being out in nature, it's a sacred place for me. And to have a place like this to come to, bring my dog for a little walk and be in nature is really calming and peaceful for my soul. And I can get out and contemplate the things that are on my mind, and just thinking, about how we need to hold the love and the light, and how these are top of mind for me to be in the sacred spaces, to be holding the love and the light, and to think about our fellow humans and what everybody's going through. Good and bad, it all can be held and move through so much more quickly with love and light and grace and prayer and joy. Sprinkle the joy on everything you do, no matter how you feel, because the joy raises your vibration and the love raises our vibration. And this is what we need to think about now, so that we can make it through these harder days, so we can make it through our lives in a much more easeful and flowing way, with love, with joy, with light, with grace, compassion, all of these words, all of these things. Fill your heart with these words. Fill your heart with these words and live in the love and the light. Love y'all.